This is my 1987 C10. And in about 24 hours, I have one of the biggest car shows of this year coming up. And I'm still not ready for it. I'm about to have thousands of people looking at this truck, and I need it to be as good as I could possibly get it. Let's go ahead and start by taking out all the stuff I've had hanging on my mirror for like a year. I'm going to be taking this up with me because this thing does not have a radio. These things, there is no reason for me to have air fresheners in this thing. It does not smell bad at all. All right, I jacked up the truck so that I have a room. You can see all of this mud and dirt from outside. So I'm gonna try and clean it and maybe even rattle can it. I turned the wheel so that I can get better access. All right. It actually did make a difference. I don't know if you can tell or not. It brought back the black, to be honest, but you can see where wheels have rubbed here really badly. So I think I'm gonna spray over that. That's what a little paint can't fix. Now I'm no painter, but that looks good enough to me. I went ahead and did the exact same thing on the other side. Now it's time to throw in some of this tire shine. For this style of tire shine, I literally apply it and then wipe it. And I got a little overspray on the wheels, so I'm gonna clean that off. Get that off. All right, now that I got tire shine on all four wheels, there's only one last thing we have to do, and that is windows. And as you can see, these windows are pretty dirty. I'm gonna start with the inside and finish with the outside. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I am sweating like crazy, and it is literally midnight. Tomorrow temperatures are gonna get up to like 100 degrees, and this truck's gonna be sitting right out in the sun. So I've got these two products that I'm hoping will help with the sun. First things first, I got this Armor All Protective. That is gonna be for my dash. And I'm using this Armor All ceramic treatment and cleaner to try and keep some of the UV rays out, plus keeping this windshield clean for the entire trip down to the car show. According to the directions, you just shake well, apply to the surface, and then wipe off. So I've already kind of shook in it. Now it's time to apply it to the surface. And using a clean rag or towel, wipe it off. As you can see, not only does it give it a little bit of a shine, but it's going to protect this from the sunlight. All right, next I'm using this ceramic glass cleaner on these windows. And boom, my glass is now protected. Now I'm not really worried about the side windows because they're going to be rolled down the entire time. So honestly, that's pretty much all there is to do. So that means it's car show time. See you guys in the morning. It's car show time. Alrighty boys, I need to go eat and then I'm going up to the car show. Little pool now is warmed up. Got the Wendy's, then we're gonna head up to Somerset. Alrighty boys, I've been waiting in line for like an hour, but it's almost time for the show to start, so let's pull in. That's the one that's gonna jump. Alrighty, we're here. at this thing. Same wheels as on my Jeep. This thing's clean. Look at this thing. ZR1. Check out this Silver Rudy. Oh, Silver Rudy.
I think whoever took this is they made a bunch of short people. And then all short people
I'll spray on it, I guess. Look at that spacer. Holy cow. Oh yeah, that's where it's at right here. Give me one of these. These things. Nice. Even the Chrysler. Come on now. Check out the Cheyenne. 454. Yes, sir. That's clean. These are one of my favorite factory wheels. They look really good. Chickasaw County. Roadrunner.
Get that water bed.
Oh yeah, waterbed in the back.
That's the best part.
Oh yeah. The bar. Low rider bike. Nice. With the engine cover open. y'all feel about these wheels. I've been looking at some welds, those little Lagunas or whatever. I've been looking at some wheels for my truck. And beautiful too. That thing got a Hemi. Oh yeah. Boston wheels. Ooh. That's clean. Rip American Motors. Beautiful cars. I mean, look at that. Fox body. Look over here. A Rambler. Sweet. OBS, the hood latches. And the first JDM I've seen. Carbon fiber hood. I don't mind the wheels. Wheels look fine. Hello. Look at these cars next to each other. That's actually crazy, the size difference. Little MB Miata. Clean. Manual. You got this thing. The Bull Bar. Oh, an MG. Nice. MG Mission. 4 set. 3,000 firm. You got $3,000 burning a hole. Pick this thing up. The pinnacle of Dodge engineering right here. Neon SRT. Or Lexus. With certainly a build. Gotta get a look at this thing. Oh yeah. What a beast. What a beast. Oh my. Scion with a body kit. I'm pretty sure it's a body kit. No, that's awful. Check this thing out. With the flames on it. Yes, sir. Ford T-Bucket. Sweet. Look at this thing. I've been here for like 2 hours. It's hot. It is really hot. So I'm tapping out. Alrighty, boys, I am home and I am so tired. It's not even funny. I had a lot of fun. I may or may have not did some felonious activities. I cannot say whether I did or did not. I definitely didn't record it, so if I did, you'd never know. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end it here. I love this truck. Still need some stuff to done to it, but I'm really happy with how it sits. I had a lot of fun today. A lot of cool cars, a lot of loud cars, including mine. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.